Hi guys, today I would like to share 3 different ways to make a delicious hot chocolate in time for the holiday season. Let's get started! Pour the milk into a medium pot and turn the heat to medium. Add a cinnamon stick and 2 cardamom pods. Then also add vanilla. You can add vanilla paste or vanilla extract or also 1 vanilla pod. Cook over medium heat for about 15 minutes. Then remove the cinnamon stick and the cardamom and add your chopped dark chocolate. Then you want to mix the chocolate in until it's all melted. This took me only a couple of minutes. Then remove from heat and transfer into your mugs. The first recipe is for a cinnamon hot chocolate. Fill your mug almost up until the end with the hot chocolate, then decorate with some whipped cream and sprinkle over some cinnamon. The second one is for a s'more hot chocolate. Fill your mug again almost up until top. Then if you wish, you can also decorate the mug like I'm doing here with some melted chocolate. I think it gives a really cool look to the mug and makes the hot chocolate look really nice. Then add the cream. Decorate with some marshmallows and some cookies. I'm using here the Christmas version, so little gingerbread men. And at the end, decorate with some more melted chocolate on top. Last but not least is a caramel hot chocolate. I'm using here my homemade caramel and the recipe link can be found in the description box. You want to add the caramel and the hot chocolate into your mug. Mix it well until the caramel has combined. Then add the cream and decorate with some more caramel on top. I hope you like these holiday hot chocolate recipes, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like. Thank you for watching my video and happy holidays!